Hello, Snapchat spam. Ever had someone hit you with the classic, I know you're online. Why aren't you replying? Or maybe you just wanna go invisual and browse in peace. Well, today I'm gonna show you how to change your online status on Snapchat so you can control when people see you. So, first, understand that Snapchat indicates when someone is online by displaying a green dot next to their profile picture, which means they have been recently active on the app. So if you're already on Snapchat, tap that profile icon in the top left corner and click on setting in the top right corner. Scroll down till you find activity indicator. Click on that. There you see an option to do on and off activity indicator, which enable others can see if you have been active on Snapchat recently. So if you off that activity indicator, you'll remain offline in Snapchat and can scroll peacefully without anyone bugging you. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and comment for more Snapchat tricks.